smart people, Mr. H here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Aleks 1-1 variables and expressions. Okay, this video is for Math 1 student. All right, we're going to look at problem 1. So basically in this activity, we are converting or we translate a word problem or a verbal expression as a math problem. Okay, again, we're going to turn this word problem into math problem. There were 40 balloons at the beginning of the party. By the end of the party, C of them has popped. So C of them has popped. So which means we no longer has those balloons. Use C to write an expression for the number of balloons that were left. So we begin with 40 balloons and we pop a couple of them. We don't know how many. It's a C. So basically just 40 minus C. That's it. So they asked you to write an expression. We did. That's the answer, 40 minus C. All right, number 2. Yesterday, Alonzo had K baseball cards. Today, he gave 5 away. Use K to write an expression for the number of cards Alonzo has left. So he has K amounts of baseball cards. He gave away, which means minus 5. So use K to write an expression. So this is the expression. He has, let's say, 10 cards. He give away 5, so you have 5 left. But in this case, we don't know how many cards that he has, so it's just K. All right, number 3. A pet store had N tanks of fish. Each tank has 34 fish. Use N to write an expression of the total number of fish in the store. So they have N amounts of tank. Each of them has 34 fish. So if it's one tank, it's going to be 34. If it's two tanks, it's going to be 34 times 2, which is 68. If it's three tanks, it's going to be 34 times 3. So that will be what? 312. It's 102 fish. So basically 34 fish in one tank. So 34 times the amount of tank that we have, which is n tank. So the expression is 34n. That's it. 34n. That is the final answer. All right, now we look at problem number 4. Okay, translate the phrase into algebraic expression. So algebraic expression, basically write them in math equation, okay, or in math expression. So why more than 7? When you hear the term more than or less than, you're going to switch the term around. Just only for more than and less than. Okay, so more than is plus. More than mean plus. So we will have the answer is 7 plus y. Again, when you hear the term more than or less than, you have to flip two terms around. Translate the problem 5. Translate the phrase into algebraic expression. The products of 8 and w. What is the products? What kind of operation is that? The products of 8 and w. Products mean times. So that will be 8 times w. And sometimes we just write it at 8w. That's it. Oops, sorry about that. All right, now we go to problem number 6 and 7. Okay. Number 6, same thing, translate the phrase. The sum of 3 and y. The sum mean addition, right? The sum of 3 and y. So that will be 3 plus y. That's it. Again, just only what? More than or less than, that you switch the term around. In this case, the sum, so you just add two numbers in the order that they give you. Number 7, translate the phrase into algebraic expression. The sum of 14. For some reason, I cannot write on this. Let's move it up a little bit. All right, hopefully that gonna solve the problem now. Okay, the sum of 14 and twice the Victor's savings. So we don't know how much Victor's saving is, but they ask you to use the variable V to represent the Victor saving. So we have the sum of 14 and twice mean 2. Victor saving is the V, right? And what is the sum? What is the operation? The sum means plus, right? The sum of 14 and twice of Victor saving. So that will be 14 plus 2V. That's it. All right, problem 8. Translate the phrase into algebraic expression. 10 more than twice a number. Okay, 10 more than twice a numbers. Use the n to represent the unknown number. So that would be 10 plus n. The answer is close. When you hear the term more than, what do we have to do? We have to switch the term around. That will be 2n plus 10. Be careful on that. So far, we didn't see any less than. Again, it's the same thing for less than. Less than is subtraction, but you have to flip the term around as well. Problem 9, translate this phrase into algebraic expression. 8 more than the products of 10 and Vanessa's saving. So Vanessa saving is V. So that will be, the products mean multiply, right? That will be 10V. And what happened when you hear the term more than? More than mean you switch the term around. Okay. If you had me last year, we should practice a lot about this. We have 10V plus 8. That's it. Now, just in case, if you put in 8 plus 10V, let's say if you plug in Aleks 8 plus 10V, which is still correct for addition, but it's wrong for subtraction. So be careful. If the computer accepts your answer like this, keep in mind that you may get wrong answer with the subtraction if you don't switch the term around. All right, that pretty much it. Thank you everyone for watching and see you on the next video.